Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Thanks for the joining the sessions. Is my screen visible?
Yes, and
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So we are here to learn service now. Okay. Uh, so basically from my sessions, yearly I will take only 4 sessions. Three like mostly I will take one section for 2.5 months. Okay, it may not extend. So based upon the syllabus and based upon the classes, I will take the like based upon the content, I will take the sessions. Okay. It's not exactly like 2.5 months. It's not like completing before 2.5 months. Okay. So mostly you will get 50 plus classes. Mostly you will get 50 plus classes. Okay. And in these service now trainings, like we are going to cover core concepts. You can say core concepts. So along with these concepts, we have many concepts. Okay. So these are the important and core concepts I'm saying. So we are going to discuss about ITSM. In ITSM, we have different modules: incident, problem, change, knowledge, request fulfillment, administration. So in administration, so we have tables, CY policies, ACLs, import sets, reports and dashboards. We are going to discuss all these concepts. In development. So in development, main focus area is scripting. We have client scripts, business rules, scripting includes different types of glide APIs are available. Okay. So these are the things we are going to discuss about scripting and development and service catalog. So I can say service catalog is part of ITSM only. But in ITSM module, we are going to discuss about the functionality. But here we are going to build the new catalog items. Okay. Yes. And then we are going to discuss about in our classes, we are going to discuss about different types of integrations. Okay, like inbound integrations, outbound integrations, and scripted REST APIs, a postman tool. I will show you how to connect one service now instance with another service now instance. Okay. Then after, so I will provide you two mini projects. Okay, I will provide you two mini projects. So like in between administration. Okay. So those mini projects you have to complete. Okay. So like whatever the syllabus I have covered till that point, I will give you the mini project. Okay. So like that. So day by day, I will provide you the few points from the mini project. So once you completed everything from that mini project, so uh, you are able to do the coding or any smaller projects by your own. Okay. And next, so basically you have to do this mini project at home. And so if you have any queries, we will discuss in the class. And if I want to explain something you are not able to understand from the mini project, we are going to explain within the sessions. And then we will also discuss about interview questions. So almost you will get 300 plus interview questions. Okay. 300 plus interview questions and interview preparation. So how to tell self introduction, how to tell roles and responsibilities, and how to tell about day to day activities. Okay. And how to explain about any project within the interview. Okay. So this kind of discussions will be done with interview preparation. Next, resume building. So maybe at the end of the development, I will provide you some sample resumes. Okay. So we will prepare the resumes. Maybe we'll take one class and we'll discuss about the resume building. So what are the things we have to keep in resume, and what are the projects we have to keep in resume? How many years of experience? So we have to keep in the resume from service now. Okay, this kind of things we'll discuss in the resume building. And I will provide you the different real-time use cases, like real-time assignments. Okay, you have to complete these real-time use cases and assignments at home. And if you have any queries, so we'll discuss in classes. And for every concept, so we are going to discuss about real-time use cases only. Okay, so these are the like main things we are going to cover in this training session. Okay. So if we are coming to my profile, we are coming to my profile. Is my voice low? Am I
No,
audible
no.
properly?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Next. So coming to my profile. So my name is Gade Anjireddy. So I have 9+ years of IT experience, and it's relevant to service. Okay. And currently I'm working with Cognizant as a offshore team lead. Okay. And like I started my trainings in 2018. So almost I said right in starting. So yearly I will take 4 batches. Okay. So currently we are in batch 25. Currently we are in batch 25. Okay. And I have almost 6+ years of training experience in service now. And in service now, we have some certifications in service now. We have some certifications. So those are like certified system administrator, certified application developer, certified implementation specialist in ITSM, certified specialist in CSM, certified specialist in HR, certified specialist in risk and complaints, ITIL-V3, some micro certification. These are the certifications currently I'm having from the service now. Like from our training sections, what certifications will cover? Certified system administrator, certified application developer, certified implementation specialist in ITSM. Okay, these are the certifications uh, we are going to cover within the training sections. Okay, for the certification program, so you have to complete the course within the Now Learning portal. I will give you these website links in going forward classes. Okay, and it will generate one voucher. So based upon the voucher, so we have to plan for a examination. Okay, in training sections we can't provide any certifications and all. Okay, only trainings there. And like maybe if you hear somebody is providing certification for service now from the institutes, I can say that is a wrong statement. Definitely, so we have to do the certifications from the Now Learning portal only. Okay, once we finish the course in Now Learning portal, then only voucher will be generated. And those vouchers are not transferable. Okay, from one user to another user. Okay. And so I'm not, kindly speak slowly. Thank you. Yeah, yes, 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 Victoria, definitely. So maybe I will get your details by like your name, so your email, your WhatsApp number for the communication. Okay. And how do you know about this trainings? So can you please send me these details to my mail ID? Okay. If it possible, highest education qualification to understand, like from my side to understand. So when you completed education and and which year it is completed, whether currently you are working or not. So based upon that, so we can able to follow up you in the classes, okay? Highest education. So whether it is IT or non-IT, okay? So you can send me these details to my mail address, okay? I'm just copying these details to Zoom chat. So my mail ID is servicenow training2018 So my WhatsApp number is 9640374611. Okay, I'm also sending these two details. So you can send me your details to this mail address. Okay. Next. So this training session, with this training sections, okay. Like you are able to go with 3+ years of experience. Okay. So with the 3 service, for example, if anybody have 5 years of working experience, okay. So I will suggest only 3 years of service no experience in the ratio. Even so, this training sections will guide you uh, for 3+ years of service now experience. Okay. If you want to go for interviews, so this training helps for 3+ years of service now experience. Next. So here we are going to discuss about service now. Okay. What is service now? Somebody tell me what is service now? Why we have to use service now? Service now is a ticketing tool. Service now is a ticketing tool. Okay. So by using service now, we have many benefits to the organization. Many benefits to the organization. So what are those? So for example, if we are working in one organization, okay, maybe in that organization, so we have separate website for HR or finance related. It may be gray HR. Okay, we have separate website for submission of timesheet. Okay, we have separate website, separate system for leave management. We have separate system for employee details access. Okay, so if we are using ServiceNow, we can able to make all these applications within the ServiceNow only. If we are using ServiceNow, we can combine all these applications, or we can develop all these applications within the ServiceNow only. Then, so if organization using multiple systems, organization has to pay some rent to that, right? Organization has to pay some subscription amount to that particular applications. Maybe for gray HR, maybe for workday, like maybe for like a timesheet system, maybe for leave management system. So if he is using service now, we don't require to pay all the subscriptions to the their systems like gray HR, workday, like that. Okay, we can able to build everything in service. Okay, we can able to build everything in service. This is one benefit of using ServiceNow. And another benefit is, so in day-to-day life, so we are purchasing many things. It may be a software, it may be any product like laptop, it may be electrical items, like softwares like operating system, like MS Office, Adobe, Photoshop. Okay, we are purchasing many things in day-to-day life. Definitely, definitely we will get some issues with those softwares or products. Then what we will do immediately, we will call to the customer care. Immediately we will call to the customer care. Then we will ask them to resolve this particular issue as soon as possible. Okay. Then they immediately create one ticket for us for the tracking purpose. They will create one ticket for our issue for the tracking purpose. Okay. Then they will start working on our issue. Finally, they will come up with some resolution. Okay. This for this kind of things we are using service. For this kind of things we are using service. Okay. Is everybody got it? So why we are using service now? Is everybody got it?
Yes.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Maybe I will repeat the example again, and we have few more examples.
Okay.
So basically, if we go to the any organization, okay, we have different tools using for different functionalities. I can say for applying a leave, so we are using one application. Okay, we are using one application. For submitting a timesheet, we are using different application for timesheets. Okay. For employee details, so we are using some HR and finance related portals. Okay. Maybe I will write here leave management system, timesheets, HR and finance, employee data, and we have many applications. We have many applications using within the organization. Okay. So organization every year need to pay some subscription amount to this system, this HR and finance related application. For maybe employee details, maybe birthday we can consider, for example. And we are using many applications for the organization. You can see how much amount so we have to pay for all these applications. Okay. Definitely, I can say it is a burden for the organization. So if we are taking ServiceNow, okay, we can able to build everything in the ServiceNow easily. Okay, we can able to build all these applications within the ServiceNow. Okay, got it? This example, everybody. Then our organization need to pay subscription to only ServiceNow, not for all the applications. Got it? Any queries from this example?
Got it.
Oh, next. I'm going to another example. So nowadays, everybody have accounts, bank accounts in different banks. Okay. You may have some issue with your bank account. You may have some issue with your credit card. You may have some issue with the transaction. You may have issue with bank statement. You may have issue with your home loan or personal loan, whatever it may be. So if you have any banking related issues, what we will do? We will go to the customer care, then we will explain our issue. Then immediately what they will do, they will create one ticket for us for the tracking purpose. And internally, they will assign ticket to somebody within their teams. And finally, they are going to resolve our issue. Okay. For this purpose also, we are using ServiceNow. For if you have any issues for their resolutions and tracking, we are using the ServiceNow. Is this example everybody got it? This is second example. Okay. And I'm going to tell third example. So for example, we have SBI. We have SBI. Okay. So almost we can consider 10,000 SBI branches all over the India. Okay, all over the India. So in one of the SBI branch, almost 100 employees are working. Okay, employees are working. Okay, then suddenly their system stopped working one day. Suddenly their systems or maybe their banking application stopped working suddenly within one branch. Is that SBI employees going to resolve the issue? Is they able to
I think
troubleshoot
they
the issue? Sorry?
I think they may raise the ticket.
Yes.
No.
They may, yeah, they may raise the ticket. To whom? To whom they are going to raise the ticket? Yes. So basically, every organization, not only banking system, every organization, I can say every product-based company, or like this kind of like organizations will have contract with some service-based companies. Like maybe this SBI bank have contract with some MNCs. It may be Accenture, it may be TCS, it may be Infosys. Okay. So for example, maybe this SBI have contract with Infosys. Immediately, this SBI team will raise issue to the Infosys team. Okay, then Infosys team will work on the this issue. Got it? Everybody got it? This example?
So
Yeah.
so info system will be the one to raise the ticket this time, right?
No, never. So SBI team only will raise the ticket. Then it will go to the Infosys and they are going to resolve their issues. Okay. The contract should be like that. For example, they will make the contract like if within my organization, if I have any issues, you have to support me. Okay. So here I am saying some banking application issue. It may be laptop related issues. Okay. Like related teams within the Infosys organization, they are going to support this SBI branch. Got it? Yes.
Yes, but I would appreciate if you explain again, please.
Okay.
How does Infosys know all these details, SBA details?
Yeah. So basically, like as I said, So for every organization has some contract with some service-based companies, right? So they will in the initial stage only they will make contract with some other companies. So if related to banking applications, if we get any issues within this banking application, you have to support me. It may be 24/7 support, and maybe you have heard about L1 support, L2 support, L3 support, and so we have different shifts, day shift, second shift, and night shifts. Okay, based upon that they are going to support the organization. Okay, what I mean, so if we are talking about this SPI branch, if they have any issues, they have only functional knowledge on the banking applications. Okay, they don't know so how to resolve that banking application issue, right? Maybe that banking application built by it may be built by some Java or Python or .NET. Okay, is there no all these languages or technologies? Definitely not. They have only functional knowledge on that applications. Just they are going to use it. Who knows those like background, those applications, technology, yeah, related teams knows that. Who are maintaining the teams? These organizations maintaining the teams. That's what this organization is going to contract with some other company. And maybe, for example, this SBI bank, maybe this SBI branch have issue with one banking application. It may be a Java related application. Then this SBI branch immediately raise a ticket to the for example, here we have taken Infosys, right? Infosys Java team. Okay. And they will start working on this particular issue. And finally, they are going to resolve it. Is everybody got this example? Yes.
Got it.
Oh. And we can discuss about one more example. So for example, maybe again, I'm taking banking industry only. For example, so we have ICICI Bank, for example. Okay. So ICICI Bank wants some new application. ICICI Bank wants some new application. For example, I can say gold loan application. So maybe this ICICI Bank using the manual procedures for the approving gold loan. Okay, for approving gold loan. Now they are planning for the new application, that is gold loan application. Is that as ICICI Bank employees going to develop this gold loan application? Is they going to develop gold loan application? Definitely not. Okay, they have to come for some organization. Maybe they come to the Accenture. Maybe they come to the Accenture. Okay, and ICICI Bank made contract with the Accenture. Okay, for completion of this gold loan application. For completion of this gold loan application, maybe ICICI Bank